Today Nifty tried to move higher but failed, and after that the market spent the entire session rotating lower. This is not random, this is information. Let's quickly understand where we are. After expiry, we saw a value shift upward. Then price accepted higher value, market moved up, and today it tested higher levels and failed. So today is not just another session, it is a reaction at higher value. Now go to the 5-minute chart. Market opened and initially held higher levels, tried to push upward, but what happened? No continuation. Instead, sellers stepped in, price started dropping, and this was the first signal. This is called failure at highs. After that failure, look at the structure. Lower highs forming, gradual move down, and no aggressive bounce. This is not panic selling. This is controlled distribution or rotation downwards. If you look at the volume profile, POC shifted and stabilized around 2480 to 24200. Price kept rotating around this level. This tells us that market found a new lower fair value. So what happened today? Morning attempt higher, mid-session rejection, and later acceptance at lower value. Now look at the delta. Now talking of delta, it is the difference between the volume created by aggressive buyers and aggressive sellers. We'll talk more about delta in coming videos. However, if you look at the delta, consistent negative prints can be seen and selling pressure is dominating. This confirms that sellers were very active and buyers were not aggressive at all. So this is not just rotation, it is bearish participation underneath. Now if we combine everything, in a higher time frame, the market was strong earlier, but today it failed at highs, rotated lower, accepted lower value. So what do we get? It is an early sign of weakness after strength. Now let's look at the important key levels for next session. The critical resistance level of 24,240 to 24,300. This is where failure happened. Then the decision zone, which is the POC or the value area of 2480 to 24,200. And the support that is below 2450. And if this support breaks, there can be continuation downward. Now considering all this, you have two scenarios, the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario, which is stronger as of now, will happen if price stays below value and cannot reclaim 24,200. Then further downside rotation is likely. And a bullish scenario will come into picture if price reclaims 24,200, holds above that value. Then today's move becomes just a pullback. Now this is very important, that strength is not when price goes up. Strength is when price holds higher levels. Today Nifty could not do that, and that is the signal. Having said all that, you have to consider one more important thing, that on a daily chart with a monthly profile plotted, April month's volume profile is still above March month's POC area. It means that despite of all the weakness which is being shown, if the market rotates back, then the region till where it can go is up to the POC of April month, that is 23,896 level. And if that level breaks, then the next area which the price may try to discover is 2353, that is March month's POC. So today was not a trend day, it was a failure and rotation day. Now the next session will decide a continuation down or recovery back to value. Every day market teaches us something. We should keep our eyes and ears open to understand these things and learn from it. And these videos are designed to help you to do this. I hope that some value is getting added through these videos in your trading journey. And if it is so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Market Mind Monastery. And please post your comments below this video. Thank you and happy trading.